Welcome back to another video. Today's episode, we are swapping out the spacers because this is the one I had previously. It's too small, so it looks kind of gay. So we got a hold of these, a little bigger. I mean, it's like a 1/2 inch or so, as you can see. The main reason was because this truck would rub when we were drive. As you can see, ya mario eso. So this side's done. We started the vlog a little late. As always, say hi to Max. And today we have a special guest. The homie Jose aquí anda. It's a chill Saturday, you know, chill Saturday, day off on a Saturday. We're chilling. We ain't got nothing to do, so we're gonna get to it. For today's project, you will need a torque wrench with the size 18 millimeter for these bolts right here, and then you'll need yourself a 15, which is this one, for your bottom bolts. As you can see, these right here, I don't know if you can see, but you can take those off, and a mallet, and then your fucking spacer and a pry bar. So let's get to it. Alright guys, right now we're releasing the strut from the top. What you do is you loosen up these 3 bolts. I pre-loosened them up already, so that you should be able to take them up in the hand. Like I said guys, this channel is going to be a lot of shit. It's not just going to be just mallet it, but I'll be trying to teach you guys a little bit about doing DIYs and shit. Guys, now I'm working on the bottom bolts. As you can see, it's already loose. Now what you do is you get the pry bar and pry it out. Now it should be loose. Sometimes it gets stuck. Alright guys, now you just remove these 3 bolts from on top of your strut. That's it. As always, we use nothing but the best. Milwaukee, sponsor us. Come on now. This is the old spacer. There we go. Now you get your new one. Get your new one, you should be good. Alright guys, now what you should do is you get your existing bolts, just tighten it up to your strut. Alright guys, our spacers are bolted onto the strut. Now your next step is to put it back how you took it off. But for this movida, you need 2 people. So we'll get back to you once it's on. As you can see, we got the strut back on. A little more hard time, but we got it in, no biggie. All that's left to do is tighten these up, put your wheel back on, and then you guys will see the finished product. 30-minute job, save yourself some money. The part's like 50 bucks on eBay, Amazon, wherever the fuck you prefer. Alright guys, we just finished putting on the level kit, put everything back, the tires. It looks a little better, a little squat now. As you can see, antes this truck was squatted to the front. Sponsored by Red Bull. So now it's actually sitting nice and level. I know you can't really tell on camera that much, but the way I used to see it, it's a big difference. Look at the fender wells, look at the rear and the front, and that's how you compare them. Looks better now. Easy job, 30 minutes or so. Like I said, here's the Mama Lona. My dad's boots. Oh yeah, you could tell. Look at that. All right, guys, this is about it for this video. Like and subscribe. And I'm not a professional, guys, but it's just pretty much common sense stuff that we're doing over here. My next video, I'll probably show you guys how to level a Duramax with torsion keys. It's pretty fucking easier than this. Just gotta turn off some bolts and that's it. But yeah, hope y'all like and subscribe, man. Peace.